Devon, our next word, which is an irregular word and hard to spell, is the word once, which is spelt like this, O-N-C-E. But I look at that and think, if I was to say that as I see it, it would be once. And if I was to say once or write once, I would have thought it would have started with a W, and then maybe go U-N-S. But I know that that's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you tell me what's going on here?
Well, it's related to the word one, O-N-E, again, which is an irregular word.
Mm-hmm.
And the origin comes from Old English. So this is one of those words we just have to learn to spell it by visualising the letters, because it's not spelt like it sounds, so we just have to visualise the letters.
Okay.
So we look at it and then we erase it.
Okay, all right.
We'll look at it and then say the letters, just spell it a couple of times.
Okay.
O-N-C-E.
Okay, so we've got an O-N-C-E.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I'll do that one more time, shall I?
Mm-hmm. Good.
O-N-C-E, and that's once.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now, like we did before, try to erase it and then close your eyes and visualise those letters.
All right. Well, this is me just erasing everything.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just get rid of everything. And now I'm imagining.
You're going to sort of write it in your brain. So
okay. I've got to remember what it looks like.
You've got to remember what it looks like,
because there are no rules for this particular
mm-hmm.
word.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I know that there was a C sound, so
mm-hmm.
I know that there was a C in there somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
And I know that it started with an O.
Mm-hmm.
And there was an N.
Mm-hmm.
That's got to be here somewhere.
And
then the E.
And we need that E to make the C say S, because we know the letter C can say either K or S.
Ah, right. So there's a
connection
connection
rule
here.
that says if we want C to say S, we must follow it with a silent E.
Uh-huh. Okay. So I really just have to remember the look of the word. So if
Absolutely.
I just circle
mm-hmm.
the whole word, that's what
mm-hmm.
it looks like.
That's what
so
it
I just
looks
have
like.
to train my brain
mm-hmm.
to recognise that that's what the word once looks like.
Mm-hmm.
And the handy rule here is that the S sound on the C is because of this relationship here with the silent E.
Correct.
Do you know, I was just thinking, if I put B-E-W here...
B-E-Y.
Oh, B-E-Y. It says Beyonce.
It does.
Which is why you get this CE.
Once.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, that was the thing that we talked about at the beginning, wasn't it? Why does it say once and not once?
Mm.
Maybe it's because it doesn't have a B-E-Y in front of it. Okay, so just so that people don't get confused, B-E-W. Imagine I said B-E-W, can't believe that. Then again, this is a spelling lesson. So, should we do that one more time?
Now, see if you've got a picture of that word in your mind.
I do.
Okay, what do you see for the first letter?
I see an O.
What do you see after the O?
An N.
What do you see after the N?
The C sound, but it's not the K, it's the S sound for the C.
And it has to be followed by a silent
Therefore it must
E.
have a silent E.
Correct.
And that's our word, once.
Very good.
Using visual memory. Great. Good luck with that one.
Excellent.